So the iPhone 12 just dropped, and according to Apple, it's a leap year. Well, you want the reality? It's not. What's up guys, it's Thomas here, and today we're going to be talking about the iPhone 12 range. Now this was newly unveiled today, and if you're new to my channel, then please do hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified whenever I publish awesome new tech content. So personally, I think that the iPhone 12 range could have been just a little bit more. Now don't get me wrong, there's all kinds of new features that Apple's added to the iPhone. So we have three new models. We have the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, which is just the regular iPhone, and we have the iPhone 12 Pro. And all three models have lots of new features. They've got 5G with millimeter wave and ultra wideband support. They have a brand new A14 chip with a 5 nanometer design, so essentially that means that they're going to fit a lot more processing power into that chip. The phones are also much lighter and a lot thinner as well. They also did a lot of redesigning, especially when it comes to the camera. So you're gonna get much better optical image stabilization, much better image processing, and all that kind of stuff. In addition, we have a really hardened, much more durable display glass. So it's actually an enhanced form of Gorilla Glass Victus, which Apple is calling Ceramic Shield. The actual display itself is also much better. It's a Super Retina XDR display, which means there's a lot more contrast, blacker blacks, more colorful colors, and overall the screen is going to be a lot brighter. But one thing we missed out, which a lot of people wanted, was 120 Hz. And Apple says it's due to battery life. No, I don't think it's due to battery life. I think it's because they couldn't get enough of the adaptive refresh rate displays which they would need for 120 Hz in time this year. So the phone also has a brand new wireless charging function. They're calling it MagSafe, kind of a throwback to Apple's old MagSafe Mac chargers. And essentially what this is a faster wireless charger with a ring of magnets around it that's going to automatically align your phone on the wireless charger so that your phone is going to charge a lot faster and more efficiently. The iPhones also now have IP68 water resistance, which means 6 meters down and for 30 minutes underwater, and it should be good. Now looking at the Pro model, yeah, it's more expensive, but you also get a much better phone. So first of all, storage wise, whereas with the normal 12 models you get 64 gigabytes, on the Pro models, it starts at 128 gigabytes. In addition, you have much smaller bezels, but unfortunately, they didn't shrink down the notch, which I kind of would have liked to see because a lot of people get annoyed by the large size of the notch. They also brought LiDAR to the iPhone 12 Pro models. So essentially what that's going to do is 1, better AR, 2, much better camera, so it's going to allow us to autofocus really easily and really quickly at night. And speaking of autofocusing, let's talk about the cameras. So the iPhone 12 regular model just has, normal 2 cameras, and they do have night mode expanded to those 2 cameras, and the iPhone 12 Pro has night mode on all 3 cameras, and that's going to be a lot better night mode because they are expanding the aperture, which allows you to allow more light into the iPhone, which means better night mode. Now on the 12 Pro, we're also seeing much more zoom. So on the regular 12 Pro, we have 4 times optical zoom range, and on the 12 Pro Max, 5 times optical zoom range. And on the 12 Pro Max, we also have much better image stabilization. It's called sensor shift stabilization, which essentially shifts the sensor rather than the heavier lens so that your image stabilization is a lot better. Now, my favorite thing they're bringing to all models of iPhone, which is not really getting reported much on, is the ability to film, edit, and view Dolby formatted videos. So essentially, that is a format that the professionals use. It supports a lot more colors, and so your videos are going to really pop when filmed in that format. Now, the regular 12 and 12 mini are available in 5 different colors: black, white, blue, red, and green. The 12 mini starts at $699, and the regular 12 starts at $799. So it's not too bad. Now on the 12 Pro, which as I said before is more expensive, we have 4 colors. So you can have gold on there, you can have Pacific blue on there, which is one of my favorites. You can also have graphite on there and just silver. And that model does start at $1,000 for the regular size Pro and $1,099 for the Pro Max. Now my critiques. So I really would have liked to see 120 Hz on the display. It just allows for a lot more smoother video games, scrolling and stuff like that. And that definitely would have really been able to take advantage of that super fast A14 Bionic chip. And the battery also is pretty good. It's gonna last you all day. But Apple, stop making the phones thinner and compromising battery life. I don't care if my phone's 10% thinner. I want a good battery. And finally, why only stick the sensor shift lens in one camera in the 12 Pro Max. I'd like to see this in all of the Pro model cameras because let's be honest, it's going to allow a lot better footage when filming. And one main reason people are going to be buying the 12 Pro is for that camera. So just to sum this up, the iPhone 12 range comes with a lot of new features, but I would have liked to see a little bit more just so Apple can stand out a lot better amongst the competition. Anyway guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to smash that like button, and I'll see you soon with another Apple video. Have a great day.